Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So guys, as we already know, Samsung has advertised on their event that both the Galaxy S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra will be coming with a 45 watt of a charging support. Well, this new charging speed doesn't really make a difference. Well, in this video we will find out, because most of the reviewer has found out the device and they have performed the charging test on the S22 Ultra, which give us a detail about the charging speed and whether this charger is going to be good enough or not. Well, actually, in simple words, it's not good. See guys, we have already seen from competitors from different companies like Xiaomi, Vivo, OnePlus and Oppo are bringing 65 watt and 100 watt of a charging break with their devices, and Samsung was still sticking with a 25 watt and 45 watt charging from past couple of years. So it was due for Samsung to really bring a fast charging speed for their flagship level device, and there were hopes that the S22 Ultra will have, but it turns out that this new 45 watt charging only exists in the marketing material, because the reviewer that has performed the test on the Galaxy S22 Ultra with 25 watt and 45 watt chargers, they did not find any significant difference. 25 watt Samsung break took the device from 0 to 61% in just 30 minutes, whereas the 45 watt break take the device from 0 to 60% in 30 minutes. While the same 25 watt charger for the S22 Ultra took the device from 0% to 100% in exactly 1 hour and 4 minutes, while the 45 watt break accomplished the task a merely 5 minutes quicker at 59 minutes. Well, Samsung 45 watt charging rate claim is outright misleading, and when even paired with the original Samsung charger, it does not offer any real tangible benefit in terms of charging over the 25 watt solution. To make the matter worse, Samsung was in exact same position in Note 10 Plus back in 2019. They also mentioned that 45 watt charging is coming in Note 20 Ultra, but it was also misleading. And having reinitiated with the S22 Ultra, we thought it had learned from the mistake and got it right this time, but alas, it didn't. There are two important takeaways from this. The first one is that if charging speed is matter to you, then the Galaxy S22 series is just disappointing. It will took 1 hour to get a full charge. The second one is that if you do end up getting the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra, there is no point splurging the official retail price of the $50 on a 45 watt Samsung charger. The 25 watt break will literally work just as well for just $20. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about this new 45 watt charging misleading from Samsung. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Peace.